Here is a wooden stick of length 7. You must cut it at these 4 marked positions. Each cut costs the length of the piece you are currently cutting. And here is the twist. The order you choose changes the total price. Cut left to right, and you pay a lot. Cut cleverly, and you pay far less. Same cuts, different bills. Let us find the cheapest order. The problem. You are given a stick of length n and an array of positions where cuts must be made. Performing a cut costs the current length of the piece being split. Cuts can be done in any order, and the order changes the total cost. Minimize it. Watch 2 different orders on the same stick. Notice how each cut charges the length of its piece at that moment. The running totals drift apart. Order truly matters. The key setup trick. Append 0 and n to the cuts, then sort. Now the endpoints act as sentinel boundaries, and every consecutive pair delimits an indivisible piece. Without them, a segment would not have a well-defined length. We define f of I, j as the minimum cost to make all the cuts strictly between boundary I and boundary j. The final answer is f of 0 to m-1, where m is the number of positions after augmentation. Now the recurrence. Consider a segment spanning from cuts I to cuts j. Whichever cut we perform first on this segment, we pay its full current length, which is cuts j minus cuts I. Then we choose some cut k strictly inside as a split, which breaks the segment into 2 independent subproblems. So f of ij equals cuts j minus cuts I, plus the minimum over all interior k of f of ik plus f of kj. The base case, when the 2 boundaries are adjacent, there is no cut between them, so the cost is 0. Here is the bottom-up tabulation. We fill the table by increasing segment width. For every segment, we try each interior cut as the split, add the fixed segment length, and keep the best. The answer sits in dp of 0 to m-1. Let us trace it on our example. Adjacent boundaries cost 0. Then we build up longer segments, each combining smaller solved pieces plus its own length. The optimal total for length 7 turns out to be 16. Complexity. There are order m squared segments, and for each we scan up to m split points. That gives order m cubed time and order m squared space, where m is the number of cuts plus 2. 3 common pitfalls. First, forgetting to add 0 and n, so segment lengths become undefined. Second, forgetting to sort after augmenting. And third, adding the segment length once per split choice when it is the same fixed cost for every k. The takeaway. Interval dp often needs sentinel boundaries, so each segment has a well-defined cost. Here the segment length is the per cut price, and the split k simply chooses which cut carves this segment. Next we tackle the deepest interval dp inside of all. Do not ask which balloon to burst first. Ask which one to burst last. That is, burst balloons. See you there.